Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Bogwalk Gorge and we're going to be going over Flatbridge. Now we're going to talk about the Accelerated Bridge Program, a multi-billion-dollar initiative designed to replace, repair, or upgrade over 50 bridges across Jamaica. Now that bridge we're looking at straight ahead is the busiest bridge in Jamaica. This is the Flatbridge. Busiest bridge. It goes across the Rio Cobre, and this is the main road that takes you from Kingston to the north coast. So the government is going to be spending billions of dollars on bridges. And do you know this bridge is not on the list of all the billions that are being spent to build bridges and repair them? This bridge, the Flatbridge, the busiest bridge in Jamaica, is not a part of the program. Now, this bridge is a single lane bridge. Now, imagine the busiest bridge in Jamaica is a single lane bridge built 600 years or about 600 years ago. 600 years, and it's still in use. We're going to actually go over the bridge, but I think the government should look at this bridge program or they need to look at replacing this bridge. There is plenty of space, like when we make the corner to go on the bridge, just to go straight across. There is a lot of space to build a new bridge. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Accelerated Bridge Program. Now also remember, the busiest bridge in Jamaica is a single lane bridge that's 4 meters long. Now, not sure what the priority is that they use to figure out which bridges to be fixed, but I'm very surprised that this bridge is not on the list or a replacement for this bridge. There you can see no rails. Okay, we're going to go through an article about this program. Jamaica's development strategy in recent years has placed critical importance on transportation and infrastructure resilience. Central to this provision is the Accelerated Bridge Program, a multi-billion-dollar initiative designed to replace, repair, or upgrade over 50 bridges across the island, many of which are outdated, vulnerable to extreme weather, or lacking in safety features. Now, we're just going to pause there. Bridges which are outdated, Flatbridge is over 600 years old. It needs to be 2 lanes at least. Vulnerable to extreme weather. This gorge is closed. This bridge is closed when it rains heavily because the Rio Cobre goes over the Flatbridge. It rises and covers the bridge. Lacking in safety features. Do you know how many cars have gone over Flatbridge? Do you know how many accidents have happened on Flatbridge? Now, if Flatbridge does not meet the criteria of this program, I don't know what does. Okay, we're going to continue. Launched in 2024 and expanded in 2025 with US $100 million in financing from the UK Export Finance, and the ABP is one of Jamaica's largest bridge-focused programs in decades. Overseen by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation and executed by the National Works Agency, the program will address more than 54 bridges across the island. Key features include 44 vehicular bridges, 3 pedestrian-only bridges, and 7 emergency use modular bridges. 2 major UK companies, Acro Global Limited and Legion Aviation and Infrastructure, are leading the supply and installation of modular bridge systems that reduce time and cost while improving quality and safety. The ABP focuses on strategic rural and urban locations across all parishes, particularly areas where bridges have aged beyond 60 years or serve high volume transportation routes. Okay, we're going to pause here. Flatbridge is over 60 years and it is the busiest bridge in Jamaica. So when they talk about serve high volume transportation routes, we are talking about the busiest bridge in Jamaica, Flatbridge. Among the notable bridges, Troy Bridge, Trelawney, which is nearing completion, Spring Valley Bridge in St. Catherine, under active construction, Craig Mill Bridge, Portland, replacement contract awarded, Mahogany Vale, Bybrook, Rock, Bushy Park, Eden, and Black River Bridges, all earmarked for upgrades. Each project is intended to improve community access, reduce flooding risk, and facilitate better trade and economic activity. One of the most watched and controversial bridges in Jamaica is Flatbridge, located along the Boardwalk Gorge in St. Catherine. Built in the late 1700s, Flatbridge is a narrow, single-lane structure with no pedestrian walkways and no railings, making it one of the island's most dangerous but historically significant bridges. Despite frequent flooding from the Rio Cobre River and the risk of vehicles plunging into the river below, Flatbridge continues to carry thousands of vehicles daily. Whenever heavy rain occurs, the bridge is submerged or impassable, often cutting off major links between Kingston and northern Jamaica. Though Flatbridge is not slated for immediate replacement under the Modular Focus Accelerated Bridge Program, the government has initiated a feasibility and design study. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.